Hey everyone, how are you doing? This is Keiron Hogg, KeironGHogg.com, and in today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you in GetReponse how you can easily add a video, or if you want to just add the link going to the video, or if you want to add an image in GetReponse, how simple it is. Right now I am in the GetReponse dashboard, so we're just going to click on Create Newsletter, or we could also do it right here. Now I'm just going to skim through this part very quickly. If you don't know how to create a newsletter and you want to know, you can check out that link up there. So I want to design my newsletter. I'm going to click on My Templates and use this one right here. Now what I will do is I'll grab this video block over here, move it over like so. Now we want to get the link, so I can just go into the YouTube Studio and I'll just take this first one here, get shareable link, bring it over to here, enter it there and click go. Now you can see it's right there, so when we do a test in a minute you can see that this is going to play. But if you don't want to grab the whole image, we can also add a link. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click back here and I want to click text, and I'm going to put it underneath like so. So I can always say check it out here, for example, and I can just highlight that, and then this is the link button. I can click on that and then I can enter the exact same URL, so the audience can either click on here to watch it, or if you don't want to put the whole image of the video because it is rather large, you could just do it right there. Now if we want to add an image, it's also very simple. Here is the image block. We can just bring that over like so, and we can browse. We can pick any of the ones that we have here. So if I just want to use that one, for example, we can do that. And also, if we don't want to use that one, if we want to add a different one that is not in our saved area, we can go to Add Files here, and then we can just select it from our computer and we can add a new one like so. So guys, it's very easy. All right, now if we just go to next, and we can say send test message. So I'll just say send test message. And then once you do that, you can test it out, see if the video works or see if the link works. And of course, for this one, it's very straightforward and everything did work. All right, so that's it for this GetReponse tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to learn more about GetReponse, you can check out my other tutorials down in my description. And if you're interested, I also teach people how to make money on this channel. I do tech reviews. If you are not already subscribed, do so, hit that bell. If you got value from this, give me a like. And guys, you can also check out my free video training there, for video training on how to make money online. And there is a webinar of a 7-figure affiliate that shows you his winning formula. All right, my friends, thanks again for your time. I truly appreciate it, and I'll talk to you soon.